It's time. Well, this is the day we've been waiting for. So excited, Paul, with his new handbag and keys. We need some beastie ones, but we are too young to drive these with the licence we have. If you get a little peek preview, you can see her there. We have named her, but we'll tell you what that is later. We'll do the reveal later. So we've got loads on here. But it's a beauty. And the guy's going to come and show us how to use stuff now, because we haven't a clue. Open the door. I am actually going to try and drive this today. Questionable. Paul's outside doing all the boys' stuff, the gas.
When it runs out, then you ain't got to fuck them out, have you? It's all about how much gas you can lose.
Just give me a second. Give me 2 seconds.
Yeah.
It's not on. It just wags the screen. Press it. You'll see that turn grey. That indicates you've
Press
turned.
it twice.
Yeah. Wags it up, then it turns it up. So from here, these are just lights. In very basic terms. That's your warning light, so I've left that off because it's outside. But for argument's sake, if you wanted just them lights on and you just wanted to press one button, just hold that down. There's a clock. I'll change that in a sec, but press it in once and you'll see the different icons. Turn that door, take you to different parts of it, then back to the top. First one you come to is the heating. So press it once, you've got off, 5 degrees, all the way up to 30. So for argument's sake, set that to 20. That'll turn it on. 2 seconds. Yep. What'll happen is, because the inside temperature is lower than what we got it set.
Well, we've had our tour and showed how everything works by Dan from the campervan sales place.
Go European.
Go European, absolutely lovely guy. So we listened, nodded, and probably haven't got a clue, so we're probably going to have to chat GPT everything when we start now. But we're going to go, where are we going now? To have a little shop in it.
Caravan accessory shop and fuel station.
Yeah, we need some fuel, we need, what's it, a hose?
Yeah, hose for the fresh water.
It's fresh, so we need to go get a specialised hose for it.
And we've got a gas bottle already.
Yeah, he was really kind because there isn't a gas bottle, so I flashed my eyelashes to get a gas bottle. So then we're going to go home. I'm going to give it a deep clean. I know it's been, well,
It's been cleaned, yeah, it's nice.
not
Cracking
too
condition.
great condition, but I want to give it a really good clean. We've got a little theme going on that we're going to have in here, but also want to have a look in the caravan place. I think when you have your cups and glasses, you can get like a special like felt storage box. So I want to go in there and have a look for one of them. So not everything's clanging around, but yeah, it's really, really exciting. Like
Adventures begin again.
But it seems it's got heating, shower, but we'll do a proper tour later when it's all tidy, cleaned, and we put everything else up. Well, you can see us getting it all ready if you want to.
We'll just get back, get sorted, and then
see Paul with his marigolds.
Show you around.
Okay, see you later.
Have fun.
What's it like to drive then?
Alright, it's nice.
Nice.
Nice and smooth. Got a bit of pull in it. It's a 2.3 engine on a Fiat Ducato. So, not too bad.
So we've come to Canic Caravan Accessories and have a look what shit we can buy that we don't need. It's massive in here. These storage, put the plates in. Plates and cups to stop them all jangling around. all your low wattage kettles, toasters. I was going to make us a dinner in here. It's peeing down, so we have gone straight for sandwiches for Master.
Nice meal deal. And
we
then we are transfer stuff out the old van into the new van, and then up the chase for a quick drive, park up and do a bit of filming.
There's a little hint of the theme that might be coming to the van. So this one has been keeping us going for a good over a year. It's been amazing. Loved every adventure. To move to the hobby.
What is a bite?
Practicing with your saucepans.
Can't wait to use it.
For making a start, reach the bathroom. We have a separate, different bedding because Paul likes a thin, soft one and I like the thicker bedding. Still Highland cows. Paul bought me that the other day. Quite cute. We're getting there. I've actually got a teapot. Bathroom's coming on. And then Child, my firstborn, has arrived and has got straight on the beds. But we have worked out, because we didn't realise, we thought it was a 2-berth, but actually when we were there, this does turn into another bed, much to Paul's disappointment. And Paul's dead happy because I've got him some mint original sauce and it came with a free Oddballs hat. And he's very partial to an Oddballs pants.
Oddballs.
So you can see a theme going on here. Theme. Getting somewhere now. It's looking all clean. Give it a really good clean. The daughter still hasn't moved. What are you doing, Paul?
Concentrating.
So what's your hints and tips?
I'm putting some anti-slip rolling, so when the beakers and cups and tea and coffee and that are in there, it doesn't slide anywhere. I'm not doing it off my own will though, I've been told to do this. So, but it'll look good. It'll look good. And it'll stop stuff from slinging about everywhere.
Okay, we've had a good clean up and organised everything. Been collecting the cues for a fair few years, well, about 18 months now. They never really had a home, but they look nice there. Both them seats swivel round. And we're going with the Highland cow theme. A little seating area that actually turns into another bed, so that'll be good if the kids do want to socialise with us. We've got the bathroom. Paul's got his little ducky. Little storage in here as well. And that's, we really wanted the fixed bed, so when we finish work, we're not messing about. Years of getting the tent box down. Plenty of room. I'm guessing the dogs will probably lie there. Plenty of overhead storage for our clothes. There's wardrobes under here as well, storage. There's a big fridge, which is actually a really massive fridge. Paul's put all the stuff in. Put some tissue in the plates so they don't break on that one. Got the check boil up there. Cooker, little oven. So yes, going to have a little drive now. I'm going to see if I can drive it myself. Really, really pleased. Really cosy. See you later. Chase. Loads of deer. Has charged the drone, he says. He sets the drone off. I've never drove this before. And then realises the battery's flat. The drone's saying it's returning home, so he's had to leg it down the road. So I'm actually driving this beast on my own. It's lovely to drive, but it is massive when you see people coming towards you. Just got to be a little bit patient. Let's go and find him now. See if he's got his drone back. About 40 minutes of panic. Someone had lost the drone over Cannock Chase. We're now in the middle of nowhere, pitch black. Do you feel
Flying a drone with 2% battery so we could get an aerial shot of the van, and it just returned to home. And obviously,
how have you found it? Because it was dead.
The van's over there. That's put into ChatGPT, our best friend.
I've never seen you look so happy.
The pinpoints, the navigation points, and
how do you feel?
go to the pub.
He was shitting it. I looked at his face and I drove back down and he was like, gone. I can't believe in all of this.
It was miles away from where we
Yeah.
flew down that road, so I don't know why it's ended up here.
Wind.
Good.
And every time I think of you now, I think about the lights of Paris. The Notre Dame was shining, the tower oh inspiring. The people were so charming, on the river boats were sailing, and no matter where I am, my heart will always sing.
Right then. You over the drone shock?
That was a nightmare. Nightmare. 40 minutes of my life sweating.
Please then.
What a dope. It's really comfy. Really comfy. I think that bit there.
The dogs are going to go there, aren't they?
Yeah.
Let's be honest. Oh, was that your head?
Get money, Spider. Don't mind. You've got loads of room up here. Loads of cupboards.
What we're going to do, go back and get the dogs in a bit, get some fish and chips, and watch I'm a Celebrity Up the Chase.
I don't know. We're not.
Just hope no one thinks you're a dogger. But no, really, this is lovely.
Chuffed.
It took us all day though to get it nice and cosy, hasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, we was back home for 12:30, weren't we? So it's time now. 4:30. We've been up here about an hour and 20 minutes, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, bang on.
Right.
Chuffed.
Think about getting some tea
I
in a
feel like
bit.
you're miles away from the front.
I know.
I mean, the van had the sun visor thing that you put round the front of the cab, whereas these have got the inside blinds, and I think it works a lot better.
There you go.
Yes, first video of the new van.
Very lucky.
Of the new van.
See where these adventures take us.
Yes, Highland Cows City. Everywhere you look. Back again. What an evening. We've had a nice chill in the van up the Chase. Watched a bit of telly. Have a little game of Shut the Box.
And then we are going to get some tea and just chill, aren't we, and watch jungle.
Yeah.
The final.
Get back onto the final of the jungle.
We're going to have a go on this now. Shut the box. See if we don't kill each other and who wins. See you all soon.
Yes, we've got... That's the new smelly. Yeah, couple of plans. The next weekend, got my works meal, which we might go in the van. And then Avanti off after. We'll see what the week brings.
Yeah.
But absolutely chuffed. Absolutely chuffed.
Yeah, it's been a lovely day, hasn't it? Tiring day though.
Yeah. Yeah, we've been up since, well, don't matter what time we get up, but we've been on the go since 9 o'clock, haven't we?
Yeah.
So
let's go and kick his ass then. Shut the box.
yeah.
See you next week.
Yeah.
We might do a Q&A in the week, do you think? Get a chance?
Yeah, we'll do a Q&A in the week of the van and why we decided this one and the layout of it, etc, etc. But yes. Have a good week all.
See you later.
Do ba do ba do.